Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to Robmotive JT. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider smashing that subscribe button right now. Today I am announcing the Volant Performance Jeep Cold Air Intake giveaway. I had this on my Jeep. Frankly, it wasn't loud enough for me. I was looking for some more sound, so I put the S&B back on. But this is an awesome cold air intake as well. Looks great under the hood and really simple to put on. Now, the claim is that it'll give you a little bit more power and a little bit more sound. You can use it on or off-road, and they say it has a lifetime warranty. Not sure if that applies to third party, but take it for what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go over the rules right now so that you can enter to win this awesome cold air intake from Volant Performance. Here we go. Here are the rules to enter to win. First of all, you must be a subscriber to this channel, Robmotive JT. You're already here. Just hit the subscribe button. Secondly, you must subscribe to my newest channel, Robmotive Tundra. There's a link below in the description. All you got to do is click it, it'll take you there, and you can subscribe. Number 3, you must follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is RobmotiveJT. Easy to find. Number 4, you must comment below this video, the one you're watching right now, with your Instagram name. Make sure that you get it right, because I will contact whatever name you give to let that person, hopefully it's you, know that you are the winner. So watch those dashes, dots, symbols, whatever you use. Now, you'll have 24 hours to reply to my message. And what I'm gonna do is ask you what your shipping address is so that I can send this out to you. Now, the winner will be announced by random draw. We're gonna use one of those YouTube random comment pickers. I'll have a video up. It'll be on June 26th. Sometime during the day, I believe that's a Saturday. That will announce who the winner is, just to keep everything on the up and up. Then, after that video airs, probably shortly thereafter, I will contact you on your Instagram name to let you know that you have won. Again, my Instagram account for this channel is RobmotiveJT. Make sure that's where you go. You can follow me on my other one if you want, but that's where you need to follow so that you conform to the rules. That's it. Now, there will also be a link down below. I did install this on the Jeep Gladiator so you can see how it's done. It's pretty easy to do. Same process for the Jeep Wrangler if you happen to have a Jeep Wrangler. That's it. Anyway, appreciate all you guys and gals watching. This is just kind of a way for me to say thanks. I really appreciate everybody that's out there watching my videos and commenting and subscribe, the good and the bad. Thank you very much. Good luck to everybody, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.